In few weeks' time, this institution will reach a landmark of 25 years. Today they are celebrating the annual day. विद्यार्थी को आपका क्या मैसेज होगा? आपने बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज दिया.
You see, this is really an achievement to complete 25 years. It's a milestone in the career of an institution, and they have done it very well. Let me tell you, although 25 years may not be a very long period for an institution, there are institutions who have completed centenary celebrations also. But within these 25 years, they have done a very creditable job. And I could see from the report placed by the principal of the college in this function only, that there are a number of students who have achieved glory, and the faculty members also bring in a lot of laurels to the institution. And therefore, one of the best institutions that has achieved this sort of a glory, and I believe they will gather strength and go much higher than what they are today.
Sir, you evoked our mythology and very nicely articulated. But most importantly, what I mean to find out from you is, what is your message to the students who are passing out, who are here? As a student, as a community as a whole, you also recall your own student days. That's a very amazing day.
See, so far the students are concerned, my message to them is, they must try to achieve as many skills they can achieve, number one. Number two, they must not lose sight of the human values that we are trying to lose now. Because this country, you see, we had given tremendous strength and tremendous support to the human values. Our all scriptures speak highly about it. But unfortunately, we are forgetting all that now. The tolerance part of it is lost. So therefore, I will request the students' community to imbibe the qualities of the human values as far as possible.
So we talked about the students, let's talk about the faculty. What is your message to the faculty? They are also some of them have been for decades altogether with this institution, and they are the pioneers, they are the building block of the organization, and ma'am is leading the way.
I must congratulate the faculty members here, because without their help and assistance, this institution could not have grown to the strength that it has achieved today. And I believe that the faculty, all the teachers, they are taking care of the students. They should give them proper discourses and proper way of proper way as to how the career of the student could be grown and strengthened.
One last question, sir. Mediation is now gaining traction in the legal fraternity. As somebody who has been at the highest of the level of the judiciary in India, what is your suggestion and advice to those who are getting into mediation? One of our most important story, which is running, one most important case, which is running for decades altogether, has now gone for mediation as well. But that mediation is for a few weeks, and probably some more development will take place in that case, in that religious case of the shrine.
You see, India follows the justice delivery system through the courts. And generally, every dispute has to be decided through the courts only. But because of the pendency in our courts, very heavy pendency, we had to identify some other courses also. So therefore, we have found out different avenues so as to tackle the board, the number of cases that we have. So we have sent some of the cases to arbitration, which is an alternative dispute resolution system. We have resorted to mediation, we have resorted to conciliation, and we have resorted also to legal aid authority. So therefore, all these four avenues are there. Any of the litigants can take help of any of these. Now, mediation has been very, very effective. Now, Delhi, for example, has a mediation center. Delhi has an arbitration center also, which is both these institutions are doing very well. They are, giving solutions to most of the disputes which are referred to these mediation centers and to the arbitration centers. So therefore, I believe that these are very effective, and hopefully, the advantage of mediation is that it is win-win situation for both the parties, because nobody is a loser there, because they arrive at a settlement through their consent and with their agreement. So therefore, it is a win-win situation, and this is a matter which was pending in the court. If it is decided through mediation, it will be a win-win situation for both the communities and all the people. So I think that is the best way to do it if it is possible. If it is not possible and settlement doesn't come through, then it will again come back to the court, and court will have to resolve that.
Do you feel that mediation, my small question, do you feel that these mediation processes don't mature very much into success? Do you feel that the mediators who are there, they need to be trained and retrained on that?
Yes, that is true. Mediations are to be trained. There has to be, there is a course for training these mediators. They know how to mediate. The process of mediation they know very well. And so therefore I believe, this mediation is also 3 members. One of them is a trained mediator. The other one is a judge. So therefore, there shall be no problem, because he has been mediating in the court also. And the third one is a religious leader. So he must be giving different discourses and all. So he knows where he stands.
Download Tarang online radio app from Google Play Store.
You are listening to Tarang Devotional Online Radio.